Hi, hi, hi. So because I trade review, so when a candle closure above this previous candle, so bullish price action. So ngiceda ngaya ku hourly time frame, ngifika ku hourly time frame, ngathola enye bullish confirmation la yabona this candle and then le vale above yona. Same thing alana vale above. So yeah, ngaya ku 15 minute time frame ngathola more bullish confirmation to the upside yabona nayi la but kube ne retrace what I thought would be retrace but the price here lower. So mara so kube ne retrace into this SMT field before price going higher. But yeah, anyways, for the trade I thought it was going izo higher mara ayenzanga njalo iye lower. So ngithe ngibona this bullish closure on the 15 minute ngaya ku the 1 minute angithi, and then that's where I took entry corner. Timbone, if I can go there real quick. Begu Euro side. So ngithathele trade ku Euro side because bekune bearish SMT and bengimele ukuthi ibe invalidated before ngena trade. So naila liquidity sweep and then bekune bearish SMT ithe ibe invalidated. That's when ngi-entarishe ngingenele trade, but then it went high for a bit and then yeah, pants in Naila hit the stop. But anyways, that's the review for today. Ngiyabonga for ukuthatha isikhathi sakho sokubuka le video and sharp.